Hi guys, today I'll be unboxing the Osmo 3 mobile combo. Got the combo, brings the stabilizer, plus the tripod, which it stands on, and a carrying case. So let's do it. Let's see, we got it, because we started this whole YouTube thing, and we want to, whenever we're not carrying our GoPros or our cameras, we wanted to have a stabilizer for our iPhone 11 Pro. Personally love DJI products. I have a drone, a Mavic Pro too, and I got a smart controller for it, which is pretty neat. Whoever has it, I definitely recommend getting that remote so you don't have to have your phone connected. And also I got the small Osmo Pocket camera, which I also like, built-in stabilizer. So let's make another cut. Right here. Where is it? Right here. Okay. So let's see what's in the box. Let me just make sure. And in the box we got, and I give it up to them. They do great with the packaging. Always box. So here I'm guessing they have instructions and cables. Let's do this. Oh, that's one way to do it. So yes, instructions. And in this one we have cables. Carrying case, nice. It's pretty neat. Small little pouch with the logo on it. And a handle. And we have other stuff in here. The cables. Charging USB to USB-C. Let's try to put that back in there. Alright. And what else we got in here? Oh, the tripod. It's pretty neat. Should actually. Oh, we have stickers. And a tripod, which is great. If you want to just stand your phone with the stabilized image, you'll be able to do so. And let's see what this is all about. Nice, love their cases. Mavic Air Drone comes with a case, like if you get the combo as well. It's pretty neat. It's a hard case. So, logo on it, you drop it, nothing happens to it. There it is. It's foldable, compact, small. I mean, it's not too big. I got pretty big hands, but it's pretty small, good to travel with. And here's the actual device. Let's see how you turn this puppy on. So, let's just remove this. And let's take this out, and let's see if it's charged, which it is. Alright, so really like this. I'm sure I'm going to be using it a lot. I'm probably going to do another video on features and how you use it once I get to know it, and you guys will be following me along. Like and subscribe. You guys like it. Our channel's all about adventures. We're gonna be posting everywhere we go, boating, fishing, traveling, anything we basically come across. So hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.